What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create your own AI avatar in seconds, only using Canva. Watch full video to learn to create your own avatar like this. All you guys know, AI technology can do mind-blowing things in seconds. In this video, I will teach you guys how you can make your AI video character in seconds, only using our good old friend Canva. You can use this method to create videos for your YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or any social media platform you want. Alright, enough talking, let's go to work. Before that, don't forget to like this video and smash that subscribe button. Because trust me, this channel will make you a wealthy boy in next couple of months. Okay, first of all, you need to create avatar. To do that, there are plenty of methods. You can use Mid-Journey or free alternatives like ClipDrop or Leonardo.ai, or there are tons of mobile applications available to do that. After generating your avatar, go straight to canva.com. Then go to Apps and search Hey Gen AI Avatars. Then click on Use in New Design and select Video. Now you redirect to Hey Gen app. Then you can click on Upload. Then you simply need to connect your account. To do that, click on Connect button. Then you can enter your email and password or simply click on Google. Then click on Upload and select the avatar that you made. Then you can create voiceover using 11 Lab. There are thousands of voices you can choose, or you can clone your own voice. Then upload your voiceover to Canva. Then click on Generate AI Video button. After a few seconds, your AI video is ready to use. Then click on Add to Design button. Then you can resize, change background, or do anything you want and download it. What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create your own AI avatar in seconds, only using Canva. Watch full video to learn to create your own avatar like this. Super easy, huh? You can create as many as you want and use it anywhere you want without any copyright issue. Alright, friends, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. See you in the next video. Until then, peace.